Happy New Year everyone! Welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I will unwrap this package that I've just received, and I have no idea what is it and who sent it to me. It's just written that is from Korea. So it will be very interesting because now we will just check what is inside. While I'm trying to open this box, I want to share with you that I will make a collaboration video with one YouTuber. He's Korean and it will be very interesting, so wait for it. And of course, if I don't hurt myself, it won't be that easy. Yeah, some blood, it's not that much, but okay, let's unwrap this. It looks so small, but I'm really excited to know what is it inside. And again, with this small pink scissor, this sound is so pleasant. Can you hear it? And it's coming. It's something small, but yeah, I've got VR glasses. Actually, I know from where this is. Yay, again, Camo 24. These VR glasses are foldable to a portable size, which allows you to carry them with you everywhere. If you haven't used any VR glasses until now, don't worry, there are instructions in both Korean and English. It's time to open it. And yeah, it looks really interesting. I have never had VR glasses until now, and that's why I will read carefully what is written on the instructions, of course in English, not Korean. And yeah, let's check some very important points that we have to be aware when we use VR glasses. These VR glasses cannot be used by children under the age of 13. So even if your younger brothers or sister ask you to try them, please do not allow them because it may affect the visual development of the children. And yeah, here I was really careful to not break them out, so I didn't open them at all, but later I will show you how to use them properly. First, unfold the plates on the Navi VR viewer and place the viewer in the middle of the screen. And before that, you should find some videos that you're interested to see, and you should type VR, VR8 key or some other keywords in YouTube. And after you check your video, you should click on this button over there, and this is how it looks like on your screen. After that, you should attach your viewers on your glasses on your phone, and be very careful because it needs to be between the both parts, both images. And let's see.
알았죠? 함께 들어가 볼까요? 여긴 오감을 통해 다양한 컬러를 체험해 볼 수 있는 창작 공간이랍니다. 오, 엄청 분홍분홍하네요. 핑크 풀장에서 오늘랑 같이 노실 분 여기 붙어라.